Hello, once again, Algebra 1 students. We are back with the study guide. We are going to be working on number 2. Problem number 2. It says, a Little League baseball team is ordering hats. The graph shows the relationship between the total cost in dollars and the number of hats ordered. What does the slope of the graph tell us in this situation? Well, first of all, what does slope mean? Can somebody tell me what is slope? Well, if one of you is telling me, I'm pretty sure you know I can't hear you, but I'll let you know that slope is the direction in which the graph is going. So in our graph, the slope is going in a positive direction and is going up. So from that, we already know that it's a positive slope. All right, we're gonna look at our answer choices A, B, C, and D, and we're gonna decide which statements are true. Let's go ahead and see. So we're gonna go ahead and look at answer choice A. It says it tells us that there is a fixed cost of approximately $35 for ordering hats. Well, it says a fixed cost. We know that a fixed cost means that no matter how many hats we buy, it's gonna cost $35 regardless of how many hats we buy. So is that true? No, that's not true. Our graph is showing that as more as we buy hats, the graph is going up because the prices for the number of hats is also going up. So A is not an answer. Let's see B. It says it tells the amount that the total it tells us the amount that the total cost increases for each additional hat ordered. So is that true? Let's see. So if they order one hat, we are about $50. If we're at 2 hats, we're at about $60. If we're at 3 hats, we're at about $77, and etc. It keeps going up. So it tells that the amount of the total cost increases for each additional hat. That is a true statement. So it is B. Now let's look at C. It tells us that when 9 hats are ordered, the total cost is approximately $160. Well, let's go ahead and look at 9. We're looking at 9. 9 happens to be at about 160. That is also a true statement. That is a true statement. Now, let's look at D. It tells us that when the number of hats ordered increases by 10, the total cost increases by approximately $175. All right, so let's see. Let's say that we are at 1 hat. At 1 hat, it looks like it may be at 50. Let's just say 50. So if we add 10, we're gonna be at 11. At 11, it looks like it's at, let's say, 185. 185. We don't have to do any type of math. We can tell that it does not increase about $175. If anything, it increased about like 150 or 140, right? So that statement D is not true. So the only 2 true statements are B and C. So B and C are gonna be your correct answers. Now, there might be a few of you saying, but mister, it's telling us, what does the slope of the graph tell us? Well, if we were only allowed to pick one answer, then B would be the best answer. However, it doesn't tell us to pick one answer. We can pick as many answers that are true according to what the slope represents. So since the slope tells us that the total cost increases for each additional hat, that one is true. And it also gives us a specific value that when we look at 9, it should be at approximately 160. That happens to be true, so we can select that as an answer as well. Hopefully that answers your questions if you had that question. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.